Welcome to kit number 3. This is the everything kit. It's kit number 1, kit number 2, and now we've added in these extra products over here. Now, this kit will allow you to do chemical peels. It's everything for dry skin. It's everything for oily skin in great detail. Plus, now you can add in the peel. So what have we added for kit number 3? Let's have a look. We've added in here the herbal mask, which is a really great mask for sensitive skin. We've added in an eye cream. So now you've got the eye gel and the eye cream. We've added a massage oil, which is really nice to be able to add to certain products or to be able to massage with that. We've also added in the brightening toner. Now this is a special toner because it really helps aid in brightening the skin. It feeds the skin. It's a really nice treatment toner, especially if you're dealing with melasma and an old sort of pitted or scarring that has been there for a long time when the skin doesn't heal quickly. So that one's very high in vitamin C. Then we've got our normalizing formula. Now this one here is a 1 ounce. You can also get it in the larger size over here, the 4 ounce. But this is my product that I use especially for oily acnetic skins. It's an AHA designed especially for oily acnetic skins. I love this product. I use it all the time in my acnetic treatments. The next one that we have is the conditioning formula. Now this is a product that's put on when your client walks out. If you have somebody that has a lot of blackheads, super oily, the conditioning formula is designed to help that overabundance of the sebaceous glands. It stays on the skin for 8 hours. It does not nothing gets put on over top, nothing gets put on underneath it. It is for really oily skin and it must stay on for 8 hours. This is an added item to kit number 3. Then you have the peeling products. Now this is the pre-peel solution that you put on first, and then the peeling formula itself. Now the peeling formula, there are many applications. It's all by however many you need. Sometimes you might be doing 6 coats. Sometimes you might be doing 8 or 10 or 12 coats, but your skin will tell you. With this kit comes the protocol of how to use each item. You also get the peeling protocol, so you can learn how to do peels, and it tells you exactly what to do in that protocol. All of these items, the peeling formula itself also comes in a larger size, the 4 ounce, but all of these items come in the big kit. This allows you to do every treatment possible in your treatment room. This is what I have on my trolley. I have it available for whatever I need to do. And again, you get your protocol. You get your protocol to show you how to use each item and for what skin type, and the peeling protocol. This is treatment kit number 3.